these are the markdowns that are going on right now. Hi, welcome to Brenna's Crafting. On today's video, I got a run deal for you. These are clearance events going on right now at Dollar General, and you will see laundry soap everywhere. I went to Walgreens on Tuesday, found some laundry soap there. I went to Walmart and they got the big tubs, but they were ringing up $10. So some deals are like really like wow deals, and some deals are like okay. But the Dollar General deal is going on right now, so you can get it this weekend, or you can even run and get it right now. So let's get it started. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Brenna, and I do crafting DIYs, and I also do Dollar General hauls. I also try to find some penny finds for you. So if you like to see videos like that, please like and subscribe. And here is the deal of the day. I found this. Now, if you like extra, which my husband loves this stuff, we usually get it in the blue one, but this is the deal of the day. This one is coming up right now, $5.25. What? I did try to attach the $1 off coupon and it did not attach. But they do have the medium size ones, and those ones are attaching to those. So I will show you some screenshots, some videos, and let's get started so you can see what's going to happen at your store really soon. This is the next clearance event. They're starting to mark down things right now. So run to your Dollar General and look for these deals, because some of these are going to go super fast. And they also have great coupons that are attaching to them. So check it out, and check out this video and see what's coming up. All right, here's the deals of the day. Make sure you check out multiple Dollar Generals, because some areas have the big extra and some didn't. This is what I got. I was trying to get them while I could, because I knew that by this weekend they would be gone. So also don't forget the Tide has a $2 off coupon. Okay, this is going to be going on in the clearance event coming up, so please check it out. It will be happening very soon. So go make sure you check out your Dollar General in your area, and also check to make sure coupons are attaching, okay? All right, these are all the clearance events that are coming your way, so keep watching. We'll see you next time. Have a good day. God bless.